I saw an advertisement talking about contactless admission process, and it made sense to me because I didn't want the parents to come to the school and get into the hassles of paper verification, and we adopted it. It is a pleasure joining DIS as a founder principal. DIS Edge got established in the year 2015 as yet another branch of Delhi International Group of Schools. And in past 5 years, the school has created its niche recognition in the area of early childhood education and development. I'm happy that in the period of lockdown, the school saw no lockdown, just like any other school around the world. Technology stepped in as an essential part of any organization's, any system's support system in the past 1.5 years. And education was not untouched by the demands of technology when the physical schools were shut down and we were operating remotely. It was a happy discovery that the school was back on track within a week, and within 1 month, all the plannings, all the incorporations of technology-aided online teaching were quickly adapted by the parents, students as well as teachers. I would also like to thank here the organizations that have stood by the school in supporting the school's online endeavors. Our school functions on Microsoft Teams as the teaching portal. Our school has been assisted by UniApply as the admission portal for contactless admission. Our school has been taking the services of various open sources that are available around the world. And I would also like to here add the special recognition extended by UniApply in collaboration with Times of India to come up with special awards for the teachers to identify the contributions of teachers during the time of pandemic, supporting not just the educational needs but also the socio-emotional needs of students as well as parents. The world turned over to technology, and any and everyone who were standing against technology started supporting technology. I'll just take one small example. I saw an advertisement talking about contactless admission process, and it made sense to me because I didn't want the parents to come to the school and get into the hassles of paper verification, queuing up, and we adopted it. Just the way we have adopted online teaching method overnight, finding out the solution that best suits our system. And then when I started reflecting on it, it was not just adoption of technology, it was reduction of so much of paperwork. Delhi International School strives on these needs and is proud to say that we are doing a good contribution to the society with the support of the management, the staff, and of course the parents and the organizations which are standing by us as supports. Thank you so much.